Hello students, welcome back. We are doing factorization from class 9th book of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, and we have completed exercise 8.4 in our previous video. So today we'll start exercise 8.5 right from question number 1. Okay, so this is question number 1. A plus b whole square minus 5a minus 5b plus 6. Okay, let's factorize this. We copy this as it is, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. After that, we can see minus 5 in both the terms, isn't it? So we take minus 5 common. Minus 5 is taken as common. Now within the bracket remains this a, and this minus changes to plus. Okay, this minus changes to plus b. Minus 5 into plus a is minus 5a, minus 5 into plus b is minus 5b. Okay, minus into plus is minus, 5 into b is 5b plus 6. Okay, we can see a plus b here also, and here also we can see a plus b. So let's assume a plus b equals to x. Okay, let a plus b equal to x. So we are assuming a plus b as x. Now this a plus b means x, so we have a plus b squared, so we write x squared, minus 5, this 5 we write here. A plus b means x, so we write x here, plus 6. So we can factorize this, middle term factorization, isn't it? So what we have to do is, we have to multiply the coefficient of x square with this constant number. Okay, 6 into 1, we have 1 here. If there is no number, we must consider 1. 6 into 1 is 6. After that, we find the factor of 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now when we add 2 and 3, we get this 5. Okay, so x square minus 5x, isn't it? So minus, what we do is we write 2 plus 3. This minus we write here, 5 means 2 plus 3. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. This x we write here, plus 6. After that, x square minus into plus is minus, x into 2 is 2x, minus into plus is minus, x into 3 is 3x. Okay, plus 6. So minus 2x minus 3x is minus 5x. Okay, now we can see x common in both the terms, so we take x common out. X is taken common. X into x will give us x square. This minus we write here. X into 2 is 2x. Again we have 3 common here, isn't it? In fact, minus, this minus we write here, and 3. Minus 3 is taken common. Okay, 3 into x is 3x. Minus into minus, minus into minus will give us plus. 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So we have x minus 2 common here, x minus 2, x minus 2. We take x minus 2 common out, and within the bracket we have x minus 3. X minus 3, isn't it? Now what we do is, we had supposed x as a plus b, isn't it? We had supposed a plus b as x. So what we do is, we put back the value of x. Okay, putting the value of x, putting the value of x. So x means a plus b, a plus b, x means a plus b, and then we have minus 2. Again we have x here, again a plus b, and then minus 3, isn't it? So this is the solution for question number 1. Okay, a plus b minus 2 and a plus b minus 3, these two are the factors of a plus b whole square minus 5a minus 5b plus 6. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's move on to next question. Okay, now let's do question number 2. X plus 1 into x plus 2 into 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 4 plus 12, isn't it? How do we factorize this type of question? Is, we have plus sign here and we have minus sign here. What we do is, we multiply the term having plus sign with the term having minus sign. Again, with the term having plus sign with the term having minus sign. Okay, let's write these two terms together first, and then we will multiply. x plus 1 into 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. Again we have x plus 2 into 3x minus 4 plus 12, isn't it? Now we multiply with this x to both these numbers, again with 1 to both these numbers. Okay, x into 3x is 3x square. Again x into 1. So first we multiply with sign plus. There is no sign before x, means we must assume plus, isn't it? Plus into minus is minus. X into 1 is x with this plus 1. Okay, plus into plus is plus. 1 into 3x is 3x. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 1 is 1. Now with these two terms, okay, x into 3x is 3x square. Plus into minus is minus. X into 4 is 4x with 2. Plus into plus is plus. 2 into 3x is 6x. 2 into 3x is 6x. Plus into minus is minus. 2 4s are 8 plus 12. Now we copy this 3x square as it is. Minus x plus 3x, opposite sign, so we must subtract. 3x minus x will give us 2x. Sign of greater number is plus, so we write plus here. This minus 1 we write here. And then this 3x square we copy as it is. Minus 4x plus 6x, opposite sign. 6x minus 4x is 2x. Sign of greater number is plus, we write here plus. Minus 8 and then plus 12, isn't it? Okay, so we can see 3x square plus 2x and 3x square plus 2x in both the terms. So we can assume this 3x square plus 2x as a. Okay, so let 3x square plus 2x equal to a. Instead of this 3x square plus 2x, I'm going to write a. Okay, so a minus 1. Again we have this is a minus 8 and then plus 12, isn't it? Now again we multiply with this a to both these numbers and with minus 1 to both the numbers. Okay, so a into a is a square, plus into minus is minus. A into 8 is 8a. Now with this minus 1, minus into plus is minus. 1 into a is a, minus into minus is plus. 1 into 8 is 8 plus 12. So we have here a square minus 8a minus a is minus 9a plus 8 plus 12, same sign. So we add these two numbers, we get 20. Now this is middle term factorization, isn't it? We can factorize this. So we multiply with the coefficient of a square with this constant number, that is 20 here, isn't it? So no number before a square means the coefficient is 1. 20 into 1 will give us 20. We find the factors of 20 now. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. So we need 9, isn't it? So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5 will give us 9. 4 2 2s are 4 plus 5 will give us 9, isn't it? So this a square we write here minus 9a. We need minus 9a, isn't it? So we write minus 4a minus 5a. Minus 4a and minus 5a. 2 2s are 4 and this 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. We need minus, so I am writing minus in both the numbers. Minus 4a minus 5a, same sign, means the number will add up, sign will remain minus. Minus 4a minus 5a is minus 9a plus 20. Okay. Now we can take the common number a from these two terms. Okay, a is taken common. A into a will give us a square, plus into minus is this minus. A into 4 is 4a. A into a is a square, plus into minus is minus. A into 4 is 4a. From these two numbers we have minus 5 common. Okay, so minus 5 into a is minus 5a, Minus 5 into a is minus 5a. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 5 4s are 20. Again we have a minus 4 common. So we take a minus 4 as common. And then we have a minus 5 within the bracket. A minus 5, isn't it? A minus 4, a minus 4. A minus 4 is taken common. A minus 5 will remain within the bracket. So this is the solution. But we had supposed 3x square plus 2x as a. Now what we need to do is we have to put the value of a again and proceed to find the answer. Okay, putting the value of a, putting the value of a. So we have a minus 4. A minus 4 means what is a? A is 3x square plus 2x. 3x square plus 2x is a. So a minus 4 means 3x square plus 2x. This is a minus 4. We write minus 4 here. Again we have a minus 5. So a is 3x square plus 2x. 3x square plus 2x. This is a, and minus 5. Here minus 5. So this we cannot factorize further. Okay, so we copy this as it is. 3x square plus 2x minus 4. We cannot factorize this. Okay, we leave as it is. But this we can proceed with middle term factorization. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, isn't it? 5 into 3, coefficient of x square is 3. 5 into 3 is 15. So we find the factors. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now when we subtract 3 from 5, 5 minus 3 will give us this 2, isn't it? So instead of this 2, I can write as 3x square. We need plus 2x, isn't it? So plus 5x minus 3x. This 5x is plus, this 3x is minus. 5x minus 3x will give us 2x. Okay, 5 3s are 15. This minus 5 we write here. This we copy as it is. This cannot be further factorized. Okay, 2x minus 4. Now here we have common x, isn't it? In these two terms we have common x. So we take x common. Within the bracket we have x into 3x. X into 3x. X into 3x will give us 3x square. This plus we write here. X into 5. X into 5 is 5x. Bracket close. From these two terms we do not have any number common. So we take minus 1 as common. Because we have minus here. So we take minus. And no common means we take 1 as common. Okay. So 1 into 3x. 1 into 3x is 3x. Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5. This we copy as it is. 3x square plus 2x minus 4. And then, so we can see the common 3x plus 5, isn't it? Let's erase this curly bracket. 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5 is taken as common. 3x plus 5. And then we have x minus 1. X minus 1. Okay. 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5. We took 3x plus 5 common. And x minus 1 is here. So this is the solution for question number 2. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. Question number 3. X into x square minus 1 into x plus 2 minus 8. So we are asked to factorize this. So we can see the term x square minus 1. X square minus 1. We can assume this 1 as 1 square, isn't it? Because 1 squared means 1 into 1, which is ultimately 1. So instead of 1, we can write 1 square, because 1 square is 1 itself. So instead of this 1, I can write x square minus 1 square. Now we can apply the formula a square minus b square. X square minus 1 square means a square minus b square. A is x and b is 1. So a square minus b square will give us a plus b into a minus b, which means a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? So let's proceed to solve this. This x we write here as it is. Now x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 square, which means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and then x plus 2, and then we have minus 8. Okay, let me erase this. Now the term containing minus sign and the term containing plus sign, we multiply these two terms and then these two terms. Okay, so x into x is x square, plus into plus is plus, x into 1 is x, and then again we multiply these two terms, first with x and then with minus 1. Okay, x into x will give us x square, plus into plus is plus, x into 2 is 2x. Now with minus 1, minus into plus is minus, 1 into x is x, minus into plus is minus, 1 into 2 is 2. Now we have minus 8. This we copy as it is, x square plus x, and then here we have this x square plus 2x and minus x, opposite sign, isn't it? Plus 2x minus x will give us x, sign of greater number will come, plus x. This is minus 2, and then we have minus 8. Now we have x square plus x here also, and here also we have x square plus x. So we can assume x square plus x as a. Okay, let x square plus x equal to a. Okay, instead of this x square plus x, now I write a. Again, instead of this x square plus x, I write a minus 2, and then minus 8. Okay, further let's multiply these numbers with this a. A into a is a square, plus into minus is minus, a into 2 is 2a, minus 8. Okay, a into a is a square, plus into minus is minus, a into 2 is 2a, and this minus 8. Now I can apply Middleton factorization here. Number without a, that is constant, that is 8 with the coefficient of a square. What do we have as coefficient of a square? 1, isn't it? So 8 into 1 will give us 8. 2 4s are 8. So 4 minus 2 will give us this 2. 4 minus 2 will give us this 2, isn't it? So a square I write here. So we have minus 2a, means the sign of greater number comes. So this 4 becomes minus 4a, and then this 2 will become plus 2a. 4a is negative, 2a is positive. Opposite sign means we must subtract. 4a minus 2a will give us 2a. Sign of greater number, minus will come here, minus 8. Okay, now we can take common. Here we have a, and here also we have a. We take a as common. A into a will give us a square, plus into minus will give us this minus. A into 4 is 4a, plus we have 2 common. 2 into a is 2a, plus into minus is minus, 2 4s are 8. 2 into a is 2a, plus into minus is minus, 2 4s are 8. Now we have a minus 4, so we take a minus 4 common, and then within the bracket we have a plus 2. Okay, now let's put the value of a. So we had supposed the value of a as x square plus x, x square plus x as a, isn't it? So instead of a we write x square plus x. Okay, a means x square plus x, and then minus 4. Again this a means x square plus x, and then plus 2. Okay, so we cannot factorize this term further, and this term also we cannot factorize further. So this will be the solution for question number 3. Okay, let's do question number 4. 7 into a square plus b square whole squared minus 15 into a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 8 into a square minus b square whole squared. Okay, so this we copy as it is. 7 into a square plus b squared whole squared minus 15 a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, so a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, we can write this as a to the power 4 as a squared whole square. 2 to the 4. This minus we write here. B to the power 4 means b squared whole square, isn't it? Now we assume this as a and b squared as b. A squared minus b squared will give us a plus b into a is a squared minus b is b squared. Okay, I hope you got this. So this 15 a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, we can write 15 into a squared whole square minus b squared whole square. Okay, plus 8 a square minus b square whole square. Okay, 7 a squared plus b squared whole square minus this 15, we write here 15. Now we assume this as a square as a and b square as b. A squared minus b squared means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, isn't it? After that, plus 8 a squared minus b squared whole squared. Now we have the two terms a square plus b square and a square minus b square. A square plus b square, a square plus b square, again a square minus b square, a square minus b square, isn't it? Now what we do is, we suppose let a square plus b square as x and a square minus b square as y. Okay, a square plus b square is x, a square minus b square is supposed as y. So we put the values of a square plus b square and a square minus b square. 7 a square plus b square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square is x. Again we have a square here, so we write a square here, minus 15 a square plus b square means x, a square minus b square means y, 15xy. 15, this is x and this is y, plus this 8 we write here, a square minus b square means y, a square minus b square is y, but we have a square here, so we write a square. Okay, now we can middle term factorize this. So 8 into 7, 8 7 is 56, isn't it? 56, 8 7 is 56, y square, 56 y square. 8y square into 7, this we assume as constant number. Okay, 8y square into 7 is 56y square. Okay, now 8y into 7y, 8y into 7y will give us 56y square. 8 7 is 56, y into y is y square, isn't it? We need 15xy, so it means 8y plus 7y will give us 15y. X is already there, so what we write is 7x square, this minus 8xy, okay, minus 7xy. 8xy minus 7xy, both are negative, means these two numbers will add up. Minus 8xy minus 7xy will give us minus 15xy plus 8y square. Okay, now we take the common x from these two terms. X is taken common, x into 7x, x into 7x is 7x square, this minus we write here, x into 8y, x into 8y is 8xy, again we write this minus sign here. Common from these two terms is y. Okay, y into 7x, y into 7x is 7xy, minus into minus will give us plus, minus into minus is plus, y into 8y, y into 8y is 8y square. Okay, so we have common 7x minus 8y, 7x minus 8y. We take the common out, 7x minus 8y. Again we have x minus y, isn't it? X minus y remains within the bracket. Okay, now we put the value of x and y. Okay, putting the value of x and y, putting the value of x and y. 7 into what is x? X is a square plus b square. X is a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Okay, let me put simple bracket here. 7x means 7a square plus b square minus 8y. 8y means a square minus b square. 8y. This is 8y, isn't it? 8 a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Okay, again we have x minus y. So x is a square plus b square minus y. Y is a square minus b square, isn't it? X is a square plus b square and y is a square minus b square. X minus y means a square plus b square, x minus y. Y is a square minus b square. Now let's multiply with 7. 7 into a square is 7a square. Plus into plus is plus. 7 into b square is 7b square. Minus 8 into a square is 8a square. Minus into minus is plus. 8 into b square is 8b square. Okay. Again this a square plus b square I write as it is, a square plus b square. Minus into plus a square. Minus into plus a square is minus a square. Again minus into minus b square is plus b square, isn't it? Minus into plus a square is minus a square. Minus into minus b square is plus b square. Okay, this minus a square and this plus a square cancels out. Minus a square and plus a square cancels out. B square plus b square. B square plus b square is 2b square. I write this first. Okay, b square plus b square is 2b square. After that I write this. So plus 7a square minus 8a square is negative minus a square, isn't it? So I write the positive one first. 7b square plus 8b square, both are positive. 7b square plus 8b square is 15b square. 15b square. 7b square plus 8b square is 15b square. And plus 7a square minus 8a square, opposite sign. So 8a square minus 7a square is a square. Sign of greater number comes, that is minus. Okay, so 2b square into 15b square minus a square. These two are the factors of 7a square plus b square whole square minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 8 into a square minus b square whole square. Okay, this is the solution for question number 4. Okay, let's do question number 5. X square minus 1 whole square plus 8x into x square plus 1 plus 19x square. So we can assume this as a minus b whole square, isn't it? X square as a and 1 as b. A minus b whole square. Why am I doing this? Is because I am trying to convert this into this form. Okay, a minus b to a plus b form. Okay, because we know the formula a minus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared equal to a plus b whole squared minus 4ab, isn't it? We can write a minus b whole squared as a plus b whole squared minus 4ab, because this will give us a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. This means this, isn't it? Minus 4ab minus 4ab. Now a square, we write here a square plus 2ab minus 4ab. plus 2ab minus 4ab, opposite side. So minus 2ab, 4ab minus 2ab is 2ab, sign of greater number, minus plus this b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is actually a minus b whole square, isn't it? So instead of a minus b whole square, I can convert this a minus b whole square to this form, a plus b whole square form, okay? A plus b whole square minus 4ab. I hope you got this. Now I am changing x square minus 1 whole square to x square plus 1 form, okay? This is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So let me write this as a plus b whole square minus 4ab, a plus b whole square minus 4ab means a minus b whole square, okay? Plus 8x, this plus 8x into x square plus 1 plus 19x square. This is x square plus 1 whole square minus 4x square into 1 is 4x square, 4 1s are 4 into x square is 4x square plus 8x into x square plus 1 plus 19x square, isn't it? 8x here, x square plus 1 plus 19x square. Okay, now let us suppose x square plus 1 as a. Let here also we have x square plus 1, here also we have x square plus 1. Let x square plus 1 equal to a, okay? So this x square plus 1 is a squared, we have a square here, so we write square. Now 8x plus, isn't it? This plus 8x into x square plus 1 is a, x square plus 1 is a, 8x into a is 8ax, isn't it? And here we have minus 4x square plus 19x square, opposite sign. Minus 4x square plus 19x square means 19 minus 4, that is 15x square, 15x square, 15x square. Sign of greater number is plus, so we write plus here, okay? Now we can proceed with middle term factorization. 15x square into 1 is 15x square. We need 8, isn't it? 8ax, which means 3x into 5x. 3x into 5x is 15x square. 3 5s are 15, x into x is x square, isn't it? So a square plus, we need plus 8ax, isn't it? Which means plus 5x plus 3x is plus 8x. Means plus 5ax plus 3ax. Plus 5ax plus 3ax is plus 8ax plus 15x square, okay? Now this a and this a we take as common, a into a will give us a square, plus a is taken common out, so 5x remain within the bracket, which means a into 5x is 5ax, okay? Plus, we copy this plus here. Here we have 3 and x common in both the terms, isn't it? So we take 3x common. 3x into a, 3x into a is 3ax, plus into plus is plus 3x into 5, 3x into 5x, 3 5s are 15, x into x is x square. So we have a plus 5x common, so we take a plus 5x common into a plus 3x, a plus 3x, isn't it? So let's put back the value of a, putting the value of a, putting the value of a. We have a plus 5x, a means x square plus 1, x square plus 1 plus 5x, and again a plus 3x. A means x square plus 1 and plus 3x. Okay, so we cannot further factorize this, so we can leave here as it is, but before that we rearrange this properly. Okay, x square plus this 5x I write before, and then plus 1, x square plus 5x plus 1, and here we have x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x, this plus 1 I write later. Okay, so these two are the factors, this and these are the factors of x square minus 1 whole square plus 8x into x square plus 1 plus 19x square. I hope you got this. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept of factorization. If you understood and found this video to be helpful, then please don't hesitate to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. And please don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, I'll upload the rest of the questions from question number 6 to 10 in the next video. Thank you.